Hello, welcome to Money Made Simple YouTube channel. Today we want to take a closer look at the Capfin Loan Calculator. So if you tend to go for loan from Capfin, then this calculator is going to help you to estimate how much you'll be paying every month.
Let's go.
Let's get closer to it and see what is happening. So when you look at this particular calculator, okay, this is the slider. The slider helps you to determine the amount of money that you want to borrow. And please remember that you can borrow from 1,000 rands to 50,000 rands. Okay, so 1,000 rands, so that's the minimum amount that you can borrow, 1,000 rands, up to a maximum of 50,000 rands. Okay, maximum of 50,000 rands, as you can see here. So in case you want to choose any amount that you want to pay, you want to collect as a loan. So let's take the slider. So as you move, so let's say you want to take like 20,000 rands. Okay, so you move to 20,000 rands. So at this stage, so 20,000 rands. Now that's the amount. Now you can have it for 6 months. Okay, so that's the duration. The duration is from 6 months to 24 months. That is 6 months to 2 years. Okay, remember, if the duration is less, you usually pay higher amount of installments every month. Okay, all right. And you can also see that when I brought it to 6 months, it has changed from 20,000 to 8,000, meaning you cannot take 20,000 rands for 6 months. Okay, so the slider brought it to 8,000. Okay, yes, so meaning if you need like 20,000, then you should be using either 12 months or 24 months. Okay, so the higher the amount, so meaning you can say that if you need for 6 months, then the highest that you can take is 8,000 rands, as you can clearly see. So if you need for 6 months, maybe you want the loan for a period of 6 months, meaning that the highest amount that you can take is 8,000 rand. So let's use our case study here. We want to take 20,000 rands, okay, for 12 months. Or if you want to go for 24 months, but let's use 12 months for instance. All right, so this was going to happen. You can equally use this particular plus sign and the minus sign also here to increase it by 1,000. So as you can see, so when you click on the plus sign, it goes by 1,000, increases by 1,000. The same way when it goes down to the subtraction sign here, you also see that it starts decreasing. Okay, so you can use the slider also, that particular plus and minus, to either increase or decrease respectively. So let's place it at the 20,000 rands. All right, so right now we have this for 12 months. Now let's go to the monthly installment. How much we're going to be paying every single month. So this is what we have, the monthly installment. So if you take 20,000 rands for 12 months, you are going to be paying 2,184.75 rands every month. Okay, yes, that's how much you're going to be paying. So remember, there's a note here that the amount we can lend you depends on your credit application and affordability assessment. But before that, let's go and look at the monthly installment. What makes up the monthly installment that you're going to be paid every month for the 12 months? So if you look at this, so let's look at this step here. See, your monthly installment is the amount debited from your bank account each month. This payment covers the capital loan amount, the interest, the fees, and the Capfin credit life installment, providing a straightforward way to manage your loan with consistent monthly payments over the agreed loan term. Okay, yes, so the monthly installment payment that you are making contains about 4 different items. The amount itself that you took the interest, the fees, and then the Capfin Credit Life installment. All right, so that's what goes into the monthly installment payments that you're going to be making. So if you take 20,000 rands for 12 months, every month you are going to pay 2,184.75 rand. All right, so let's look at this particular tip also. So you say the amounts shown in the Capfin calculator include VAT and are intended to provide an estimate of your loan repayment. For an accurate quote, please proceed with your loan application. So all the things that you see here are basically estimate. Okay, so give you a fair idea as to how much you're going to pay. There might be a bit of an adjustment when you start your process and then you complete, and then the amount that they're going to give you after certain assessment. All right, then what's going to happen here is this. So at the end of the day, if you want to take a closer look at only the interest rates and the fees and then the credit life that you are going to pay without the amount itself, then that one will amount to 6,216.95 rand. Okay, that is without a principal payment at all. There is how much you are paying for the 12 months. Okay, all right. So after everything, your total repayment, which basically is the total amount to repay, which includes the original loan amount, interest, fees, and Capfin Credit Life installment, giving you a clear view of the final amount that you pay over the loan term. With Capfin's transparent loan process, you will always know the full cost up front. Okay, so after going through, if you want to apply for the loan, you will know how much at the end of the term you are paying. So in this case, if you took 20,000 rands for 12 months, this will be the total amount that you are going to pay, which is 26,216.95 rands. Okay, yes, it's basically you are paying an additional amount of 6,216.95 as interest and then other charges. All right, okay, so this is how it works. Okay, so you can go around and be playing along with any amount that you want, but remember, the approval will depend on your affordability. Probably you don't have the funds to be paying 2,184.75 rand every month. In that case, you may even take the loan, the same 20,000 for a longer term. So take for instance, if you should pick the 24 months, which is 2 years, you realize that your amount that you'll be paying monthly will be reduced drastically to 1,304. Okay, instead of the 2,184 that you're paying in case you have chosen the 12 months. So you can go for a longer period. All right, but in that case, you realize something, that eventually the total amount that you are going to pay will also be higher. Yes, so if you pick 24 months, your interest and everything here is going to be 11,000 instead of the 6,000 that you would have paid if you have chosen 12 months. Okay, it's going to be 11,310. all right, so if you choose a longer period, mind you're going to pay more, though your monthly installment payment will be less. Okay, yeah, so you can have to play around with this. So depend upon your circumstances that you find yourself in. So this is how it goes. In our next video, we're going to discuss about how to apply for the loan. Okay, how to apply for the loan. So if you're in South Africa and probably you need money, maybe you want to look at for a place that you can secure some loans or personal loan, at least to do one or two things, you can come to Capfin. But before you go for the loan, you can use a calculator to estimate how much you're going to be paid every month and see if you can really afford it or not. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay, money made simple. Here we try to explain money in simple terms. like loans, mortgage, and everything about money that you can think of. Okay, and how you can make money one way or the other. Thanks for watching. See you.